Remember back in the day when you taught me to live and I taught you to pray. We went in the battle together, no matter the weather, we never delayed. You gave me commands, I always obeyed. I never let you go astray. I never thought.
Welcome with Matt over here, the legend himself.
I am the legend, and we're walking over to my brand new Subaru that I just bought.
Oh yeah, you guys didn't know Matt's been offline for a while.
So you guys are not ready for my new Subi.
I'm not gonna show it yet.
Oh,
There it is. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. The brand new WRX.
What do you guys think? You like it?
Shit can.
Hey,
That's the car.
that is a shit can.
Fuck you.
This car right here is basically a cereal box on wheels.
Subaru.
Yeah, so don't talk shit about my Subaru.
You're so.
Yeah, funny guy, but we all know that this thing can't keep up with my Subaru.
Staring at you from afar, analyzing every scar, asking myself how we got here. Remember, this is who we are.
So welcome to the new video. It's like, just to let you know, the stuff we got is to remove the adhesive. We removed the badges yesterday on the Evo 10. I don't like the Mitsubishi badge here, the badge that comes here, and the Lancer badge. So we removed this yesterday, but we didn't get to remove the adhesive from the fucking car. So right now we're just gonna go back to the place. We'll go to Discount Tire first, get the tire fixed. It has a nail in it. And then we're gonna go ahead and remove the adhesive.
Fight for my life. Coming back stronger. I will arise.
Hey, where you got Evo from, bro?
Thank you, man.
Damn, dog. You got an Evo? Damn, you must be flexing on these niggas with that Evo, man.
Like you never see me again, looks can be deceiving. When they hear the sound of the drum, they'll be saying, oh Lord, here they come. Yeah, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come.
All right, guys.
See? I knew it.
It's not.
That's
Hold up. Hold up.
This is how we close it every time. All right, I'm gonna show you what we did. Got the badges removed. It's looking beautiful. We polished it up. What else? We replaced all the brakes. We got all the lights.
All right, well, you saw Matt there. You saw me today. Thank you guys for watching the vlog. Thank you guys for watching MTV Super Garage.
And thank you
See
for
you guys in the
watching
next
me.
one.
I thank you guys so much for watching. Out of here, man. I love you guys too much that I don't really want to be on camera a lot. So if that makes sense, I'm out of here.
No,
What?
not closing the vlog, but make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button, you know.
Let me ask a question. Why, before we close this all the way, why should they subscribe? What's the point?
It's not about subscribing only. It's about hitting the notification, and it's about hitting that like button on the video. Please like our video because it does help the video and it helps the YouTube algorithm. So with that
This
said,
guy's pissed.
peace.
Remember back in the day when you taught me to live and I taught you to pray. We went in the battle together, no matter the weather, we never delayed. You gave me commands, I always obeyed. I never let you go astray. I never thought I'd see the day.